Theme 3. Requirements for the maintenance of rolling stock. Lecture Plan. 1. General PTE requirements for rolling stock. 2. Inspection and examination of wheel pairs. 3. Basic requirements, standards, and dimensions in the content of wheel pairs. Requirements for the maintenance of rolling stock. General PTE requirements for rolling stock. Rolling stock, including special self-propelled rolling stock, must pass scheduled preventive repairs and maintenance in a timely manner and be kept in operation in good condition, ensuring its smooth operation, traffic safety, and safety. Preventing the occurrence of malfunctions and ensuring the established service life of rolling stock should be the main task of the person responsible for its maintenance and repair. Passenger cars on CMV trolleys can travel in trains with a speed of no more than 120 km per hour. Additional requirements of rolling stock that is used to passenger trains with a speed of more than 140 km per hour are established by the relevant instructions of the Ministry of Transport. Types and main characteristics of newly constructed rolling stock are approved in accordance with the procedure established by the Ministry of Transport. Technical specification of newly built rolling stock is approved by the supplier in coordination with the IPU, and the drawings and the details and specification in coordination with the relevant principal offices of the MPs. All elements of cars in terms of strength, stability, and technical condition must ensure safe and smooth movement of trains with the high speeds set by the Ministry of Transport. Newly constructed cars should be ensured safe and planned movement with the high structural speeds of prospective locomotives intended for servicing the corresponding categories of trains. Cars that do not have transition platforms must have special footrests and handrails. It is allowed to make changes to design of the main components of a rolling stock that has been put into operation, including special self-propelled rolling stock only with the permission of the relevant main departments of the Ministry of Transport. The rolling stock must meet the requirements of the size of the rolling stock established by the state standard. Newly built and overhauled rolling stock, including special self-propelled rolling stock, must be tested and accepted from supplier plant in accordance with the procedure established by the Ministry of Railways before it is put into operation on the railway. Each unit of rolling stock, including special self-propelled rolling stock, must have the following distinctive clear signs and labels: technical signs of Russian Railways, the initials of the railway, except cars, room, passenger cars contain the code of the road registry. The sign manufacturer indicating the date and place of construction, date and place of manufacture of installed repairs, stairway, except locomotives and special self-propelled rolling stock. In addition, must be marked with the following inscriptions: on the locomotive and rail car rolling stock and special self-propelled rolling stock, design, speed, series, name of the depot, or other enterprise registry. Signs and inscriptions on the examination of tanks, controlling devices, and boiler. For passenger cars, rail car rolling stock, and special self-propelled rolling stock, which provides for delivery of employees to the work site and back. The number of seats, freight cars carrying capacity. On tenders for locomotives, the series, number, and initials of the railway must be indicated. Other signs and inscriptions on rolling stock and special self-propelled rolling stock are applied in accordance with the procedure established by the Ministry of Transport. Each locomotive, wagon, and unit of motor car and special rolling stock must have a technical passport containing the most important technical and operational characteristics. Locomotives and motor car rolling stock, as well as special self-propelled rolling stock, must be equipped with radio stations, speed meters, with registration of readings established by the Ministry of Transport, automatic locomotive signaling, as well as other safety devices in accordance with the list procedure established by the Ministry of Transport. Passenger locomotives must be equipped with electro-pneumatic braking control devices, and freight train locomotive must be equipped with a brake line control device. Train locomotive and motor car trains, when operated by a single driver, must be additionally equipped with the following safety equipment and devices approved by the Ministry of Transport: automatic train braking control or microprocessor-based decoder with built-in safety features, rear view mirror, fire extinguishing system, diesel locomotives, brake blocking passenger locomotives, motor car trains, in addition, auto driving system to speed control and speech information at entrances to traffic lights, crossings and stations, passengers driver communication, door closing control, automatic fire alarm. Shunting locomotives must be equipped with devices for remote uncoupling them from the cars and served by one driver in addition. Second control panel, rear view mirrors, and devices that provide automatic stopping in the event of a sudden loss of the driver's ability to drive the locomotive. Technical requirements of special rolling stock and removable mobile units, as well as the procedure for their maintenance, repair, and operation are established by the Ministry of Transport. Locomotives and wagons belonging to the other departments, enterprises, and organizations that run on the tracks of the general railway network must meet the requirements of these rules. The treatment of such rolling stock on the railways with the total railway network is set to MEAs and the order of the locomotives at the station junction. The chief of branch of the railroad, in the absence and the composition of the railway officers railway. Deputy chief of the railway inspection of wheel sets. In operation, wheel pairs are subject to inspection under an electric locomotive, ordinary and complete inspections. Inspection is performed on all types of TO and TR. When a wheel set is re-rolled that is not related to a malfunction or repair, if no more than 1 year has passed since the previous full or ordinary survey, then measure the bandages and measure the distance of 1,440 millimeters. More than 1 year, they make an ordinary survey. At the first roll up, a new wheel set, or after full inspection if no more than 2 years have passed since then. At the same time, check the dates of formation in this survey by the brands on the right and left ends of the axis. Inspection is performed by driver, master, and receiver of MPs. During the inspection, make sure that there is no heating of the axle box necks, sliders, dents, splits, dents, widenings of the bandage, twisting its maximum thickness and rolling, vertical undercut, pointed wall, dangerous shape of the bridge, and weakening of the bandage ring. On wheel centers, make sure that there are no cracks in the spokes, hub, or rim, and that there are no signs of loosening or shifting of the knobs on the axle. On the open parts of the axis, make sure that there are no transverse, oblique, and longitudinal cracks, worn places, electric burns, and other defects. An ordinary inspection is performed in all cases when a wheel set is rolled under an electric locomotive if more than 2 years have passed since the formation or after the last complete inspection. In addition to the inspection, the following is performed: cleaning the wheel sheet from dirt and grease or washing in the washing machine, checking the installed adhesives and sides, checking the dimensions of wheel set elements, checking the open parts of the axle and gear teeth with a magnetic flow detector, checking the elongated wheel center hubs of electric locomotives VL11, VL11M, CHS2 with an ultrasonic flow detector UZD. Check the spring packs and rivets gears, locomotive VL22M, density of helical rims, locomotive VL8, and the bracket. Tightening bolts with tooth and crowns, electric. Painting open seats axis, revision of units with rolling bearings in case where this is provided for the instructions for the maintenance of these units. Brands and signs of this survey are not put. The inspection is carried out by the master, the receiver, and the flow detector with an entry in the TU21, log in the wheel seat passport. Thank you for your attention.